Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And what you were listening to is some music from the YouTube free library. And I'm using a technique that I noticed on one of Todd Abart's shows where he uses an FM transmitter, different than this one. His has a built-in MP3 player. Mine, you plug it into some device, and I'm using this MP3 player and playing MP3s through the transmitter to the radio. So I can leave it play for a while and not have to worry about any problems. So that's what you were hearing. And this is another radio from Jeff. It's a Sharp model FX213AU. You got it from eBay for $35. It's noted on the case here, super sensitive. And he says this is a very impressive radio. Build quality is very impressive, and the circuitry inside looks excellent. So we're going to check it out right here. Jeff repurposes these little cases that weren't necessarily for radios. They could have been for like a electric shaver or something like that. And this radio fits in this one perfect. So that's pretty cool. Set that aside. Turn the radio back up. Again, AM and FM. Music coming from my MP3 player, which I'll shut off the transmitter right now. And then you get static. And we'll turn off the MP3 player. Now we can tune the radio. I was at the very bottom of the FM band. So let's tune up the band. Very nice condition. Few little scratches here, that's about it. On the side here is the tuning knob, on-off volume knob. On this side is the ear plug. It uses 4 AA batteries. Here's the AM and FM switch and a plastic carrying strap and about 24-inch antenna for FM. Let's go. Here we go. Yeah, I can't leave it on that music. Nor that music.
Not unprecedented.
Leave it there. Plenty of volume.
Here with me now is Lloyd Wright,
Clear.
farmer from Westmoreland County, Virginia, and a former director of the USDA.
Tuning is real smooth.
For you, what's that little thing?
Picking up a lot of stations, yeah. Whoa. Coming in loud and clear. Whoa. Turn that down.
That's our job. Terms and conditions apply.
I think we get wrong. He began the
I have a lot of AM and FM stations in my area.
We're not Florida.
And this is really locking in.
Monster.com. Really good time.
So that was a quick scan. Let's go to AM. Go back. Getting some interference from the junk that's in my office. Yep, that's probably my mouse.
For capital management versus the FTC,
Nice and clear.
that's federal trade.
He's right, it is super sensitive.
You back to work. In fact, service when I first arrived at the United States.
Yeah, nice and clear. I'm tuning pretty fast. Oop, can't stay on music, even if it's Spanish music.
They don't leave any mental stone or
There we
physical
go.
stone unturned. You have to love what you see with this raised club.
Might be one more. That's it. We're down to the end of the band. Pretty nice radio, nice and clean. All Jeff's radios are nice and clean. He polishes them up. And give you a close-up view of the tuning dial. Pretty easy to read. Tunes real smooth. Sharp, super sensitive radio. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And thank you for stopping by and watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.